All right, Stevie, give him a test run. Measured this thing at 126 decibels. All right, looks good. All right, we've been working on Siren. Stevie's found some extra parts. So we got this one mounted up, and it looks like we got another one. So if you guys are looking for a Siren, I guess we can offer the kits. I don't know, because we've got these levers. We got the cable. Well, we got to make up the cables. Yeah, we got the. Well, we got a couple more we're working on over there. Stevie's got a couple customer ones he's working on, but looks like we got one more for sale here.
So if you don't have a Siren, we sell the brackets here that weld to the frame. You just need to find a welder and ship the bike to us to have us do it.
Yeah, either way. So anyways, anybody looking for a Siren? I know Bobby's looking for another one. But yeah, let us know, because these never last. I don't know, they never sit on the shelf.
No.
All right, they're all rebuilt. So Stevie goes through, we put German bearings in them, stainless shaft. We put a longer, most of these come with short shafts originally. And these also came on 40s, 50s, Harleys, and Indians. And I think they put them on the front wheel on the late 58, 59 Harleys. You put these same Sirens on the front wheel. Those had a long shaft. I've seen some, and I think the Indian's different. These are, anyways. So I don't know a whole lot of history on them, but we get these things working up, and we have to make the pivot pin and the springs and all that stuff. Make them work on the Moto Guzzi. So that's all stainless steel. Anyways, if you're looking for a Siren, give me a call, let me know. I don't think anybody needs one. I think they're completely ridiculous, but people seem to like them. So anyways, there you go. And this is that 74 full restoration. It's a little dusty right now. But anybody looking for a double disc 74, here you go.
500 miles on it. All broke in, ready to go.
That's all we got, 509 on it. I've been riding it. I probably shouldn't be riding it, but I've been riding it. All right, there you guys go. Say bye, Stevie.
Bye. Have a good day.
All right, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.